Hi guys, I wanted to do this quick video on the review of June trading results. Right, June has just passed us, and I just want to say like June month was a great month for us, and just wanted to record this quick video to share the joy with you and encourage you to join us in our community because these trades that I did, I share with my community, and we all make money together, right? So over here, before that, I want to share with you that actually you look at June, right? Okay, June, at the start of June, it was somewhere here, and after that, it went all the way down and stayed down for the rest of the month, right? So June month was a down month actually, but hey, Thomas, you said that June month was a great month. Answer is yes, because whether market is up or down, we still make very good money. Here's why. All right, I'm going to show you trades that we did right over here. Okay, so if you scroll up a bit, all the way, you can see a lot of trades being done, but let's focus on 2nd of June because 2nd of June was the trades that we did after that, right? So over here, we have AMD, then we have Morgan Stanley trade, we have Southern Company trade. What are the results then, right? Results then. But before I mention the results, right, the results is based on how many are over here. Okay, how many are profits of how many are, or loss of how many are, things like that. So instead of I want to give you a context of how we calculate our profits and loss. Okay, it's very clear, irregardless of how much you are using for your capital, you can still participate in terms of this information, right? Why I say this is because your loss in every trade can be fixed and is decided by you yourself. You as the trader or investor, you decide yourself, right? So in this case, you can see over here that let's say that we decide only to lose like $100, right? $100 in every trade. So this is what we call our 1R, one risk. Okay, if we lose, we may not lose, right? Okay, but we can decide beforehand that we want only to lose $100, for example. Okay, so this will be our 1R, right? $100 will be our 1R. So in every single trade, that will be our loss, right? And with this information, right, with this information over here, uh, entry price, stop loss, and take profit, right? You can see the difference between the entry price and the stop loss is actually $1 over here, right? And a simple calculation between your $100, you just bring your $100 over here, right? And use the difference $1 to divide it. You will find that you commit only 100 shares, because if you buy $100, you buy 100 shares at $10 and it goes down to $9 and you cut loss, you actually only lose $100 exactly, right? Okay, so we can really decide how much we lose, right? Okay, and what is the dollar amount of profit then? Okay, dollar amount of profit, because we committed 100 shares to buy at $10, and after that it actually went up to $12. That's the difference of $2, right? Okay, so 100 shares multiplied by $2 of profit, that will be $200 of profit, right? Simple example, right? But this $200 is how many R? Is 2R, right? Is 2R. So it's double of our risk, right? R as in risk, right? So we are getting 2 times our reward, right? In terms of our reward, right? So this means that every $1 that you put in to risk to lose, if you lose, right, you can get $2 in this example, right? In this example, so it's very clear that that we can decide how much we lose, and also how much we decide, that will be our 1R. So every individual, their 1R will be different, right? Based on their capital, their risk appetite, and all those things, right? So coming back to this, like I say, June month was a down month, right? It went down quite a bit for June, right? But we were doing very well, right? So let me show you this trade, AMD, okay? AMD trade is actually a loss, right? It actually we sold at this price and stop loss at this price using our 1R again, like what I explained to you, and we actually lost, right? Okay, so let's tabulate it. AMD, all right? Okay, AMD minus 1, okay, minus 1 as in 1R lah, okay? Maybe I can just insert here, okay? Symbol, let me just type the symbol. This is called the stock symbol, right? And this is R, right? R balance. Okay, never mind, R, let's just leave it as R, right? The next one is oh, we have one more trade, okay? AA trade, right? AA trade. So let's just put it down, AA, right? AA trade, right? 2nd of June, okay? Because before that is 24th of May already. So let's just look at 2nd of June, right? June month, okay? June month results. So AA trade, AMD trade, Morgan Stanley trade. Let's just type in all the trades that we did, right? And Southern Company, right? SO, right? Southern Company SO, right? So let's go statement by statement, right? Okay, over here, SO close for a profit of just 0.17R, right? Okay, 0.17R, right? This is the profit, right? Then there's trade adjustments like what you see here. Then eventually what I did was I closed the MS trade at a 2.92R, okay? So let's just put it down, 2.92R, right? And let's just come back to here. AA trade is a 2.46R, right? So 2.46R, right? And over here, after that we have CL trade. You can see over here CL trade. So let's just type it in, CL trade. And we have Amazon trade ago. Okay, Amazon. All right, cool, right? Close CL trade, and this is a 1.57R, right? Okay, so 1.57R, right? And then after that, Amazon, blah 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 blah. Oh, Amazon is a 0.49R. Okay, 0.49R, right? And it's 1st of July already, okay? July haven't ended yet, so let's not talk about the July trades, right? We are, the purpose of this video is to review the results of what we traded in June and what is the kind of results we are getting and what you can expect when you are in my community experiencing trades like this, right? Because what I do is that whenever I do a trade on my own personal account, putting my own money in, right, I actually send those details of those trades, like what you see here, right, into this Telegram channel, right? Members in this group will instantly, within 5 minutes of me trading, right, will get this information, right? Because once I trade, right, for me it takes less than 2-3 minutes to execute the trade, and immediately I type it out and I'll send it out within 5 minutes, right? Okay, so over here you can see what is the total. Let's just look at the total here, right? Sum of what, right? Sum of this amount, right? The sum of this amount, Okay, so total is 6.61 R. All right, just for the month of June, right? And typically one trade per week, or right, maybe 1.5 trades per week. Okay, roughly that is the average. Okay, yeah. It's not about how many trades you do, it's about the quality of the trades. Okay, I hope you guys understand that, right? Sometimes there's more trades, sometimes there's less trades. So typically one to two trades per week, roughly that's the amount, right? But I just want to say, like, okay, this is 6.61. If you risk $100 for your 1 hour, how much do you make? Right? How much do you make? This is equals to this times this, right? You actually make $661. And a very, very small account of maybe just $5,000 can make $661. Okay, just to give you context, right? Risking only $100 in every trade, meaning if you lose, you only lose $100, right? On a $5,000 account, right? Which is very acceptable, right? Okay, with your $5,000 capital, you lose $100 in one trade. Like over here, you can see that it's not all wins. AMD we make a loss, right? Okay, but over here, you can see over here, even if at $100 risk per trade, which is pretty much comfortable for a lot of people, is still 661, right? But here's the thing, what if is $50, right? If it's $50, it's just 330 over dollars. Now if it's just $50, right, a 3,000 or maybe even $4,000 account can do it already, right? Can do something like this, right? Okay, and even if you have a much bigger account, then it will be much more. Okay, you can even be very safe, as in use a $10,000 account and only risk $100, like over here, right? Even a $10,000 account, won't you say that making $661 in 1 month is considered pretty good, right? Okay, yeah. And you can see that the reason why we are making money is because we did more of the sell trades. Okay, a lot of trades are all selling trades, right? And at the start of June, nobody knows that June month is going to be a down month, right? Because the start of June, it was somewhere hovering around here. People will always say it's consolidation, is getting ready to go up, right? Okay, but we using our strategy, we know that it is going to go down, so we short the market down and we make very good money. Okay, just wanted to share the joy with you that me and my community are making very good money even when market is going down, when a lot of people are losing money because they don't know what to do, they are confused, they are overwhelmed, they basically don't know what the market is doing, right? I just want to say to everyone out there, if you are some of them, then come join us, and we can actually help you to profit in the up market and in the down market as well. And also I would like to share with you the profit signal, like what we use here, right? Is doing very, very well, as you can see here, whereby a green triangle shows a buy, right? And a red triangle shows a sell, right? And you can see in the June month, way before it started to move down, it shows us the sell signal, and that's why we sell, right? Okay, so just to end this video, a quick video to share with you, like I said again, June month was great, and I wanted to share the joy with all of you, and hope that you also make very good money together with us, right? Okay, in June month you also saw that it was going down and you actually short the market, and congrats to you if you did. Keep it up, and we will see you again very soon, where I record a video, or maybe July or even August, you know, when I have the time I'll do it, right? Okay, so thank you so much, see you again. May the profits always be with you. All the best to your trading, take care, and I'll see you soon.